So this is why I think as a marketer, you should learn Python. It's very broad, but in general, marketers are acting in a very analog sort of way. We download CSVs, we try bolt CSVs together using Excel or Google Sheets and stuff like that. And this is a very slow process as far as I'm concerned. And the internet is incredibly dynamic, increasingly dynamic. If you look at Facebook and Google, they are leading with machine learning. They're like every interaction that you're having with these platforms are not done by a human. They're done by machines. They have data pipelines to react to you or your customers or your ads. And the only way to compete with that dynamism, I think is the word that I want to use, is to start using the tools that they have. And the first step there is Python. So if you can learn Python, it gives you access to data in larger quantities. It allows you to manipulate larger quantities of data faster than you can with any Excel spreadsheet or any Google Sheet. And then as time goes on, you'll be able to see better patterns in the data that you've got, or more patterns, maybe not better patterns, and make better decisions. Also, it's my belief that machines will be doing large chunks of their job in the future. So I think being able to code, and at the moment Python is the hot language to learn to code, but being able to code will improve your skill set to kind of future-proof you. You'll be able to gain employment for the next 5 to 10 years in marketing. Whereas if you don't upskill and you're working in data, I believe you will struggle to have a job in the future because we'll essentially be needing really good data scientists, brand people who don't necessarily need to know data, they're just really good at storytelling and strategy. So for the benefit of your employment in the future, I think Python is a way forward.